Look at this. Empty. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, to your eye.
Where are we?
To your eye.
Yeah! We're gonna show you guys what's on sale, what's on clearance. Look at this. Lego. This is what we've been waiting for to go on clearance, like a good sale. It is now 40% off. Look at this. This is all that's left in my store. And now, look at this caution tape. This is insane. Look at this. You can't even go to certain parts of the store. It's like blocked off. Isn't that crazy? It's like the reality is setting in for me that it's gonna be gone. They do still have the construction tape and it's 50% off. The awesome thing is that at least at my store, the scanners are still working, because if you notice, I'm in the Lego section and there's glue here. So nothing is where it's supposed to be, but the scanner seems to still be working. Apparently I can't scan and film at the same time. Paw Patrol is 50% off. It seems like they have a lot of this stuff left. I was hoping they were gonna have like the big tower. They don't have it anymore, a lot of it. I mean, they have a lot of stuff, at least in my store, but some of the bigger stuff is not here anymore, so we're just gonna grab a couple of these. Minecraft is 50% off. Say cheese, hi Sissy! She's excited. All of these little, yeah, we got that one, I think. All these little guys are at least 50% off. Pokemon is 60% off. A lot of this seems to be 50% off. A lot of like the stuff with name brands on it. It looks like a lot of baby gear is 50% off. I think the whole store is supposed to be 50 to 70% off. Oh my gosh, look at this multi-bin organizer. $23. 24, I guess. What about these beds, guys? Toddler beds for 40 bucks. If we didn't already have one, I would totally. There's strollers, but I don't see a price tag for them. Car seats. Oh, that's just the base. Baby stuff is 50% off. Let's see. It looks like a lot of like the name stuff for girls is 50% off. This is 50% off. I'm wondering how much these are. Doc McStuffins. Doc McStuffins is 50% off. I think that most of the Disney stuff is. Look at this. Empty. Isn't that crazy? They have like Fingerlings play sets. Puzzles are 50% off. Games are 50% off. There are so many left, but I feel like some games are actually cheaper on Black Friday, so I might hold off of that. Look at this. That is so crazy. Play-Doh is finally 50% off. Guys, look at this. It's so empty. I think I'm gonna actually probably, I'm getting teary-eyed, like a big old door. Alright, you guys, I'm in the parking lot. I'm in a no parking space, so don't worry. Anyway, you guys, I found this scooter. I don't know if you can see it. It was $15. This twin size comforter was $12. This my kids asked for before, and I didn't get it, and I'm glad I didn't, because it was only 20 bucks. There are only a few things for like Roblox and Minecraft. A lot of these little things, like these, were like 2 bucks, so I'm saving these ones for like stocking stuffers. And then Disney stuff, I don't know if you can see, like a little Moana set, it was like 7 bucks. Those were all 50% off. These guys were $5, which is a pretty decent price, I think. I got one of the only Lego things left. I don't know if I showed this or not yet. It was like one of the only couple things left. It was 12 bucks. But we got 2 bags full and some things that wouldn't fit. And I spent, I think, $160. And a lot of this, to be honest, I'm saving for Christmas.